Today we are going to see two process of separation, that is what is centrifugation process and what is separating funnel process. With the help of these two processes, how we will separate the mixture. So let's see what is centrifugal process. Centrifugal process to separate minute suspended particles from liquid when spun rapidly. Okay, we can separate ghee from curd with the help of this centrifugation process. Now we are going to see what is the principle of centrifugation. So the principle of centrifugation is the denser particle falls to the bottom and the lighter particle stays at the top when rotated rapidly. Okay, so we are going to see what is the process of centrifugation, how we will perform the activity. Okay, what we will do, we will just take milk and we will just put this milk in centrifuge machine. Okay, when the machine is switched on, the milk is rotated at a very high speed in this container. Due to this, the milk separates into cream and skimmed milk. The cream being lighter float over skimmed milk. It can easily be removed. So this is all about centrifugation process. You can see by diagram. Now we are going to discuss about separating funnel process. So first of all, we have to know when we will use this process. A separating funnel is used for the separation of component of a mixture between two immiscible liquid phase. Okay, it is a method we are using when two immiscible liquid phase are there. Okay, one phase is the aqueous phase and the other phase is an organic solvent. You can see the separating funnel is used when two immiscible liquid having different density are to be separated. You can see from the figure. Okay, in this figure you can see the low density liquid is at the top and the high density liquid is at the bottom. Okay, so in this way we can separate the liquid and the organic solvent. Thank you. Today we are